Okay guys, we're talking photo booths all day. Are you wondering how a photo booth works on an iPad? I'm gonna explain it to you in this video. We're gonna do the long anticipated, highly anticipated review on LumaBooth photo booth software for iPad. Okay, so inside this cute little photo booth here, all I have is an iPad, 9.7-inch iPad Pro. So the first edition iPad Pro, and the photo booth program LumaBooth. And it runs as a fully functioning photo booth that texts to the guests.
Sweet.
It's good.
What's a video do?
Makes a video, and then
So we just stand here
for 15 seconds.
for 15 seconds.
With the advancements in iPads and the front-facing cameras, now all you need is an iPad to start a photo booth business. You could put it in a fancy box like this, or you could do it with a ring light. Either or, it works as a photo booth. So this app is powerful. It's from the makers of DSLR booths, so that's the leading professional photo booth software. It's the stuff that I use in my photo booths. But the Luma Photo Booth app, it lets you run a professional grade photo booth on your iPad. So what's better than that? Try it out for free on the App Store. It does have a watermark over the picture, but then you can just get the feel for it. So first things first, you can take any image you want and customize the background. These lights are a little bright, so I'm just gonna turn them down. So I airdropped the backdrop that I want, and right there, Christmas 2021, that's what I want, so. And there it is. Obviously I need to move it up and take away the fonts now. For social, it lets your guests share their photos over email, SMS, Instagram, Twitter, doing airdrop on phones by scanning a QR code. You don't even need internet for the LumaBooth because it'll queue your emails and SMS messages until you get to an internet connection. It's got a real-time online gallery as well as detailed analytics on the photo share cloud. So it's really awesome for 26 bucks. That's in Canadian, so it's even cheaper in the States. So there's an option called preset layouts, and that's probably the best way to go. You can just scroll through all the orientation options. I like this one. So the Builtin Editor is amazing because whether it's a birthday or a wedding or whatever it is, all you have to do is just set in your own background image and font and then change it around to say whatever words you want it to say. If you have a printer that hooks up to Wi-Fi, then this will work with any printers. Say your printer at home, it'll print from there. Say if you don't want a printer, then it will text to your guests. It's just an overall great photo booth program. You can even whip out your green screen backdrop and start doing green screen. I like to keep this one simple. I don't like to overcomplicate it. So when customers want to rent this from me, I tell them here, have it for 5 days, play around with it, get acquainted with it. I don't want to worry about anything. So they can go ahead and design all their own stuff. I mean, they made it easy to use. So why don't you just pass it on to the customer to be easy to use? Thanks for watching. I hope you liked learning about LumaBooth software. It's really good stuff. If you like this video, watch one of my other videos or check out my store where you can buy photo booth templates or plans to build photo booth shells and photo booth knowledge. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. You stay classy.